Hey, food lovers, ever wondered how those perfectly crispy, golden French fries you love so much are made in factories? Stick around because I'm about to spill the beans, or should I say potatoes. First off, let's talk about the star of the show, the potatoes. Factories use a specific type of potato called the russet. These bad boys are high in starch, making them ideal for that crispy exterior and fluffy interior we crave. Once the potatoes are harvested, they are transported to the factory. Here, they go through an intense cleaning process. Think of it as a spa day for potatoes. They're scrubbed, peeled, and even given a quick inspection to remove any duds. Next up, the slicing. This isn't your average kitchen knife situation. Factories use high-speed slicing machines that can cut potatoes into fries in the blink of an eye. These machines ensure that every fry is uniform in size, giving you that consistent texture with every bite. Now comes one of the most crucial steps, blanching. The sliced potatoes are quickly blanched in hot water. This process removes excess starch and sets the stage for that perfect golden color. But don't worry, they're not cooked yet. After blanching, the fries are dried off to remove any excess moisture. And then, it's time for the first fry. Yes, you heard that right, first fry. The fries are partially cooked in oil at a lower temperature. This helps to create a crispy outer layer while keeping the inside soft and fluffy. After the first fry, the fries are quickly frozen. Flash freezing locks in all that deliciousness and keeps the fries fresh until they reach your kitchen. When it's time to enjoy them, you give them a second fry at a higher temperature. This gives you that ultimate crispy texture that we all adore. Finally, the fries are seasoned and packaged. Factories use precise seasoning machines to ensure each fry is perfectly coated. Then they're packed up and shipped off to your favorite fast food joint or grocery store. So next time you bite into a delicious French fry, remember the journey it took from farm to table. It's a blend of technology, precision, and a whole lot of love for good food. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tasty insights. Until next time, keep munching.